Hello, everyone, and welcome to this Hall of Fame interview with another student of Career Accession Mastery, making it big. Let me welcome another of my GEM student who has cracked not only the interview, he got 60% hike over his previous salary, got the promotion now, and this happened after 6 years of staying in the same organization. So he started in his journey back in August, September timeframe, and now he is able to move through the next level. So there are a lot of things which we are going to talk. Let me just ask him one question. What made you choose career accession mastery in the first place?
Sir, I would say that since I was stuck in the organization since last 6 months and there was no financial growth to me, so I was looking for some learning to enhance my skills. So the career acceleration program, I got to know like there is a webinar. I joined it, and once I registered into it, then I came to know that there are a lot of things that can be done to improve uh, on oneself to get a promotion, to get a hike, to get into the another organization. So there were a lot of things that were to be done, and they got by the career escalation program.
Wonderful, wonderful. Help me understand. What are the couple of learnings or three learnings that you had from career accession mastery which you actually implemented completely?
So, sir, one of the learning was like I started preparing my first. I started preparing my previous roadmap that I have covered these much of things. I am already having these much of skills. So I identified those things. Then I started preparing my future map in which what I want to become in next 5 years. So I identified the gaps required. Third,
Your voice is
give
cracking.
myself.
Hello.
Hello,
Yeah.
am I audible now, sir?
Yeah. Your network was a little
So
bit weak. Yeah. We can go ahead.
okay, sir. I covered like I know about my. I started knowing about my already having skills that I am having with me. So I gathered all the knowledge. Secondly, I got to know that what I want to become in the future. So accordingly, I prepared a roadmap and what are the skills required to become a senior official in 5 years.
Very nice.
And third one is like I started reciting affirmations to myself that I came to know from the video. So
That's
on daily basis, I used to do that.
that's wonderful.
So this helped me.
Excellent. So help me understand, how did you actually get the 60%, which is unheard of?
So thing is, like I did the market research. So according to the, as you explained us, so according to the market research in salary, I was having around a 50 to 70% hike that has to be there. So by giving like I had given few interviews in the past as well since August. So I came to know that this much of hike, 30% hike is there in the market that can be given as easily. So I started asking a bit higher hike that had helped me, and it was already there in the like base salary on LinkedIn salary that this much of salary is there for the 12 years experience guy. So I started asking that, and straight away they had taken the approvals and given.
Wonderful. Very nice. So did you realize that you have taken your own self-image to the next level? Otherwise, you would have actually settled for 30%.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Right? And that's a wonderful learning for everyone who is actually thinking about changing the job or probably correcting their salary. What they are missing is that they do not know their own self-worth. When you know your self-worth, you will be able to receive it. Otherwise, it's a problem. So how career accession mastery has exactly help you to shape up your future now?
So, sir, since like this is the first result that I have got since last 6 months of hard work, I would say. So this hard work had helped me, and your program has helped me a lot to a way in which I should do the hard work. So first is the vision, second is the affirmation, third is your actions that you would do to reach the vision that you are having. So these are the things that have helped me a lot.
Okay. So have you made your career clarity map or something?
Yes, sir. Yes. For 5 years, I had prepared it,
Wow.
and I will do it, and like for the next 5 years also in the coming time.
So with this job, is anything materialized with your vision that you had for your career?
Yes, yes, yes. So if I would say that I want to become a chief information security officer in next 5 years, so this job will give me like business continuity consultant as a technical lead. So it will give me a exposure into the business continuity aspect of information security. Then with next 2 years or 1.5 years of experience, I will be more into the nitty gritty of this business continuity part. Then I will move forward to the next path that is required to become the chief security officer.
Wonderful. And help me understand why did you actually choose the career accession mastery coming from Chandigarh, a small town where you could have stayed with your family? Why do you want to actually move to the next level?
Sir, I would say that as per my experience and your like learning path, so I came to know that being in the same organization after 2 3 years, you stop your professional growth, like enhancing the skills as well as the financial growth.
Mhm.
So this is a must for everyone that who is having 2 3 years of experience in same organization. They should switch to another organization or switch to a bigger role or something if they are having the opportunity. But for first, they have to have a vision that what they want to become.
Wonderful. Very nice. And do you suggest that why this coaching or mentoring or for the career, was it actually required for you? Or
Yes.
is it something just you came across and so you thought, okay, let me try? Is it now
Sir,
required for the mid-career professionals?
sir, actually, I got into it for a try for the first time when I got into it. So I was just having a webinar and I give it a try to give acceleration to my career. But once I had joined it, so I learned so many things that like I was unaware of my SSI score. So what is it? It was 25 when I first saw it. So within 2 3 or like I would say 2 3 months, it got up to 46. So so it was like the way that you briefed in the program, that how should we what are the activities that we should do. My account was not also all star, so on the same day it became all star. uh, Many things like the pitch that I have added in the profile, in the resume also, that I would like to say that that resume has got me so many interviews in last 6 months, and it helped me like the LinkedIn profile, the resume in Naukri.com also I have updated in the same way, the pitch, then everything. So I started getting a lot of calls, at least 2 3 calls I was getting in a week from
Wow,
August. Yes.
that's huge.
So it was on me that how to like which one is suitable for me or not to attend the interview as per my preparation.
Excellent. Very nice. And help me understand in terms of what is that would you give as an advice to all the people who are in the family right now in the career acceleration master, or those who are watching you right now or will watch you in the future, right? What advice would you like to give to them?
Sir, I would like to give them advice that first, like listen to the all the things that you are telling in the program. So everyone should prepare notes for that. Should watch those videos again and again. Second is you should have a purpose, a vision that is there with you in the career. So once you want to become something, then you can achieve that. So if you have not visualized that thing, so it becomes more difficult.
True.
And this is the one thing that is the first stepping path. The rest of the things that you have already told in the program, so they will help.
Okay. And where do you see the mid-level professionals now are getting challenged? Now you have faced certain challenge by staying in the organization for some time, right? I'm sure you must have a lot of colleagues who have been affected by the pandemic and the otherwise. So where do you think that they are getting challenged right now?
Sir, they are yes, they are getting challenge. One is the comfortness that they are having in the same position or same organization. Like they are working in one role and they are not. They are thinking that they will be there forever, but this is not the case. In pandemic has told us that
Mhm.
anyone can be like
Replaceable.
fired anytime. Yes.
True.
So this is the thing. So they should upgrade themselves regularly. I would say that thing. They should have vision and then upgrade themselves accordingly.
Okay. And what is the role of a mentor now you see in your life? Mentor or a coach?
Sir, it has helped me. Like I would say that it is kind of the one who has given me the earning. So this is the main role that you had given me like wings to earn more.
Wonderful. Very nice. Okay. So thank you very much. I think what we heard about from you is that there is a consistent effort from your side over the last 6 months. Not only you have imbibed the learning in your day-to-day things like affirmations, it's something not many people actually do it, to be very honest. I've seen the career accession mastery people are more focused about CV preparation, interview, this and that. But what makes you believe in yourself is the affirmations and the vision that you create for yourself. And that is something which affected you a lot. And I really, really admire that you're putting a lot of efforts in that. And I wish you all the best in your new organization. Welcome to the Western India as you are moving towards that. And I hope your future is more and more brighter now. And I believe you are waiting for a few more offers to come as well, right?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Wonderful.
Actually, one or two offers are there in the like final stage, so I may get them as well in a few time.
Wonderful. Very nice. Thank you very much for being on the Hall
Thank
of
you,
Fame
sir.
and really appreciate your time and the efforts that you have put in and wish you all the best for the future.
Thank you, sir.